Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Sorry about that. Thumb of mine massive. Let me start again. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. We are playing some more Bouncy Ball. It's episode 2 by the way. What was that noise? Mars. Beep. Last time I got so frustrated because I couldn't pass a level. What? Okay, we're gonna, so if you can hear the music too much, it can be annoying sometimes, but this game lags. Why can't I do this? Oh. I can't even look at this now. Ooh. Bounce, 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 ball. I haven't even completed it. Stupid game. I'm getting bored of this now. So annoying now. Why can't I? Why won't it jump? So laggy. Come on, baby Joby. Joby fell. Howdy dowdy. I'm not even trying anymore. I've been stuck in this for like just under 5 minutes. Come on, jump, jump. What are you doing? Bill. Come on, Bill. I'm gonna call him Bill. No. I'm a noob. I'm a noob at lag. It's so laggy. Jump! Where we are? Not jumping. Naughty game. Come on, hurry up, It's so easier when you're like without lag. No, baby Jober! Come on, jump! Don't let me down. Why is it doing that? Oh, poo! No. Okay. No, baby Joby! Jump, baby Joby! Jump, baby Joby! Okay, save point. Phew! I got a save point. Whoop whoop! Still laggy. Yes! I made it. Oh, thank you. Anyway, thank you for watching episode 2 of Bouncy Ball. Took me, how long did it take me? Took me 6 minutes and 15 seconds to complete that level. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you all later. Bye!